Guys, like with one command we want to know most information about that particular operating system, guys, with basic, without running any external softwares or external scripts. So we have something command called system info. Now it will list the system information, network cards, IP addresses, operating system names. So this command will show operating system name, operating system particular version. Remember guys, Windows 10 has many subversions like 19, 18, 17, 15, again in 19 there are many series. OS manufacturer, we know that my Windows always belong to Microsoft itself. Product ID like original installation date, laptop model like system manufacturer and its model name, BIOS version, memory sizes, and important thing, list of hotfixes are nothing but the security patches, guys. These are the latest patches. You can, if you search for this particular number in Google, you don't need to enter anything beside to it. It will be showing like the patch information for that, like what that patch is about. Network interface card details also, like how many virtual machines are there are connected to your machine and their IP addresses like assigned to them. So this is about, guys, like remember the commands and their outputs. Later we can write one command in such a way that all the outputs of each command will be pushed into particular file, so that if you send that particular file to like all the developers in an email, as soon they click, a file will be generated. That's it, guys. You can analyze all the systems in a click, or else you don't have to send them email, guys. I'll also show you an approach where you can run a particular command in all the machines in a single click. That's the reason we don't have to physically go to each employee computer and to know like what are the operating system versions, what is the issue in their machine. You can simply run one command from one machine, it will be executed in all the machines. That can be discussed later, guys.